The first step with this building was to move through an interrogation and to listen and echo back to the client as to how the building is performing for them as they are currently living. Further to that, we needed to look at aspects of the building that perhaps are underperforming as the context is changing around us. This building, as anyone can see when first entering, is essentially a glass box without a desire to have strong filtration to the sun. So we needed to think about how this building was going to manage time. Once we got through those pieces, then we needed to work through with the client any new thoughts and modernizations and how we could introduce those with the smallest footprint possible. Any work that we needed to deploy needed to be secondary and highly supportive of not only the original structure and intent, but also working with the client to draw forward certain types of narratives that existed, anecdotes with Gordon and Marion, and how we could bring back some of that thinking into the next piece. The big story here is simply that there are these sort of pavilion-like moments where we made an attack that did not we didn't look to rake new thinking through as a thread, but rather as a nodal destination. I think that's really the big story here, and then everything else is just sort of trying to find elegance in that struggle.